Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2014 Sea Ray 300 SLX. This particular boat is powered by Mercruiser 350 MAG with the joystick, Corsa exhaust, this particular boat has the extended swim platform that's teak. Moving into the cockpit of the boat, you'll see the wet bar option. At the helm, you'll have the Raymarine along with the Mercruiser vessel view and joystick. Moving forward, you'll have the forward wraparound seating, spotlight, and windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2014 Sea Ray 300 SLX. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.